Danke bafethu, umdlali laphana we-Richards Bay uMbuthuma befuna i-Orlando Pirates ne-Kaizer Chiefs yabo bamgijimisa ngempela. Ama-two Soweto Giants bamgijimisa ngempela lo mdlali lona na 23 years old, but ama-reports-ke avelayo ukuthi i-team yase-KZN laphana imnike i-long term contract umdlali uku-make sure ukuthi iyamgcina laphana ethimini. Nangu-ke u-chairman laphana uSifiso Jomo Biyela laphana we-Richards Bay ukhulumile-ke, uyavuma uthi yes kuyiqiniso ngempela, uthi siyamgcina lona lo mdlali lona la eklabhini for isikhathi eside. Uthi-ke si-extendile i-contract yakhe nga-3 years, okushoyo ukuthi vele umdlali wethu i-contract yakhe izorana until June 2028 yabo. Uthi-ke i-situation for yena injalo-ke okwamanje yabo. So waqhubeka ngokukhuluma nanokuthi potentially aka-rule off ukuthi umdlali angayishiya i-Richards Bay yabo. Uthi-ke uthi ile indlela ukuthi sikwazi ukwenza imali ngempela out of this deal yabo. Uthi kuzodepend ukuthi yiphi ngempela i-team ezomlwela umdlali ukuthi ikwazi ngempela ukumsayina. Ithi yazi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Orlando Pirates bowu-2 lama-team lawa ase-Soweto are-interested ngempela yabo. Uthi into kuzodephenda ngama-offer nanokuthi lama-team lawa athebula noma aveza malini ukuthi afuna noma anika i-Richards Bay malini, then-ke mhlampe bazovumelana because akekho umdlali ngempela o-overpriced noma ngithi ongenayo i-price yakhe. Ngicabanga ukuthi lo mdlali lo usayine le contract le ne-Richards Bay because u-loyal to i-Richards Bay, yi-team yamnika ithuba njengoba na-23 years, kusho ukuthi bekuzokwenzeka ukuthi segcine sehamba free laphana ku-Richards Bay, but-ke because u-loyal to i-club nanokuthi yakwazi ukumnika i-opportunity ukuthi adlale i-professional football noma azibonakalise ngempela la ku-Richards Bay yabo, ingakho asayine i-contract-ke. But i-chairman yakhona uBab Jomo noma ngithi-ke uBab Sifiso Jomo uyakuveza ukuthi if i-team emfuna ngempela ayize ne-offer, kubonakala ukuthi yiphi i-offer engcono nanokuthi yiphi i-team emfuna ngempela yabo. So I think it's just a matter of time until ama-Soweto Giants amthola umfana. If bamfuna serious ngempela, kune-chance ngempela ukuthi simbone laphana eSoweto, but-ke sombona kuphi eNaturena or sombone e-Orlando, I guess we'll never know. Let's just wait and see kuma-transfer market ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjani. Danko bafowethu.